After talking with so many of you, I've learned that everyone seems to have a different routine come Christmas morning. So the dish we're making today was created specifically with that in mind. Some of you like to get up, quietly light the tree, and take in the glimmer and glory before everyone wakes up. While others have told me from the second they open their eyes, it's non-stop chaos. No matter what category you fall under, what we're making today will be very welcome. The day before you want to serve it, all you do is chunk up French bread and combine it with a good amount of shredded cheddar cheese, some cooked crumbled sausage, and scallions. Now we add mustard, a splash of Worcestershire sauce, and a few spices to some eggs that we beat with some milk. And we pour that over the bread. After it's mixed, we put it in a casserole dish, cover it, and into the fridge it goes overnight. Come morning, all you need to do is pop it in the oven while everyone's waking up. And when it's done, dig in. Since it's loaded with all sorts of goodness, this is truly an all-in-one breakfast. So how about going online and getting the recipe for our Christmas Morning Strata so you'll be armed with a dish that'll help make Christmas morning all the more special. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we're sharing a stress-free way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."